Greetings, Benjamin J from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. We're getting ready to do an experiment. I've got the Aero car on the outside rail, and since this is DC, as you see, I've removed the full wave bridge rectifier. First car is the camera car, looking directly back at the propeller. I've got 6 cars on this, 6 Lionel cars. So let's start the track camera. All right, track camera is recording. So I'm going to run this on the new controller. Really curious to see how this is going to work. Power is on. Propeller is turning. Let's see how this goes. Okay, there's 6.9 volts. Wow. Turn it down a bit. 6.3 volts. It's still really zooming around this rail. All right, 5.9 volts. That's better. So you see that propeller is really efficient. That Aero car is pulling 6 full-size Lionel cars with absolutely no problem at all. So it is, without a doubt, a locomotive. Just a completely different kind of one. It's going to be interesting to see the video. So as you see, this works. No doubt about that. Plenty of power in that propeller to push this entire consist. So anyway, I just want to do a quick video. Since it's running on DC, I want to see how it would run on direct DC. I've had that rectifier on there since I built it. Took the rectifier off since it's running directly on AC, or DC now. I don't need it. Now what I can do is reverse the polarity just by moving the lock on. So if I move the lock on to the outside rail and the center, it will now run as a tractor. You see, it is not very efficient running as a tractor. It's much more efficient running as a pusher. So it's taking 10 volts to run it as a tractor, whereas it only takes about 4 volts to run it as a pusher. So let's change the polarity back, and as you see, it sounds different, it runs completely different. So it's an interesting concept, a propeller-driven rail car. As you see, it works. It actually works really, really well. It has an incredible amount of power. It is really efficient. It can move a lot of weight with that propeller. You just don't want that propeller to hit you. It will cut you instantly. Take it from someone who knows. So it's not a toy, that's for sure. Anyway, I built this, did a lot of experiments with it. Was going to eventually build a much better one, but just never got around to it. Always working on something else, it seems like. Anyway, the Aero car. It works. It actually works quite well, as you see. It's a really, really interesting concept. A propeller-driven locomotive. Anyway, just want to do a quick video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.